Something incredible is happening in the world of medicine. Far from the established pharmaceutical hubs in the United States and Europe, a new powerhouse is rising. Imagine laboratories buzzing with activity, not just with scientists in white coats, but with powerful AI algorithms crunching massive datasets. This is the scene today in China, where the biotech industry is experiencing a revolution. For decades, the global pharmaceutical landscape was predictable, but now, a seismic shift is underway. This isn't just about making cheaper versions of existing drugs, it's about creating entirely new ones. We are witnessing what some are calling China's DeepSeek moment in biotechnology, a sudden leap into global prominence fueled by years of investment and innovation. Chinese biotech companies are no longer just followers, they are becoming pioneers, developing first-in-class drugs, brand new medicines that work in ways never seen before. This surge is powered by government support, a massive talent pool, and the clever integration of artificial intelligence into drug discovery. In this exploration, we'll journey into the heart of this biotech revolution and uncover what the DeepSeek moment truly means. We'll look at the headline-grabbing deals and the powerful forces driving this change, from strategic government planning to AI-powered research. Let's dive in and see how this incredible story is unfolding. So what exactly is a DeepSeek moment? To understand its significance in biotech, we first need to look at the world of artificial intelligence. DeepSeek is a Chinese AI company that made huge waves by developing powerful, open-source AI models that could compete with the best in the world. It marked a turning point, China moving from consumer to creator of world-class technology. Now, apply that same concept to medicine and drug discovery. For years, China's pharmaceutical industry was known for manufacturing generics, playing a supporting role. The DeepSeek moment in biotech marks the shift to inventing new drugs from the ground up. Chinese companies are now asking bold questions, taking big risks, and aiming for breakthroughs in diseases like cancer and autoimmune disorders. This is about more than technology. It's about confidence and vision, a belief that Chinese scientists can lead, not just follow. Companies are empowered to move quickly from idea to clinical trial, using every tool to accelerate the process. Just as DeepSeek leveraged massive datasets and computational power, Chinese biotech firms are using AI and vast biological data to uncover new drug targets at unprecedented speed. The goal is now to set the pace and contribute unique discoveries to the global community. This transformation is sending ripples across the pharmaceutical world, forcing everyone to take notice. Nothing signals a shift in the global landscape quite like money, and in biotech the numbers are staggering. The DeepSeek moment is being validated by Western pharmaceutical giants investing billions to access Chinese innovation. These are not small partnerships, they're blockbuster deals that highlight the quality and potential of Chinese-developed drugs. For example, Akeso Biopharma's cancer drug, ivonescimab, drew a $5 billion deal with Summit Therapeutics, a rare endorsement of Chinese R&D. Bristol Myers Squibb and AstraZeneca have also inked billion-dollar deals with Chinese firms, bridging Eastern innovation and Western commercialization. For Chinese biotech, these deals bring massive capital to fuel more innovation. For Western companies, they offer access to groundbreaking science and novel drug candidates. The result: patients worldwide benefit from faster access to new life-saving therapies. What is fueling this incredible biotech surge in China? It's a powerful combination of three key ingredients. First, unwavering government support. Billions invested in research, science parks, and policies that attract top talent. Second, significant cost advantages. Lower research and clinical trial costs, and a large, centralized patient population that speeds up studies. This efficiency saves both money and time, accelerating drug development from years to months. Third, the sophisticated use of artificial intelligence. Chinese firms are integrating AI into every step of drug discovery. AI algorithms analyze vast biological databases, predict drug behavior, and design new molecules with speed and precision. This AI-driven approach dramatically increases the chances of success. The combination of government backing, cost efficiency, and AI has created a hyper-competitive, dynamic environment. Chinese companies are now taking on high-risk, high-reward projects, aiming to create entirely new categories of medicine. This is the engine behind China's transformation into a global biotech innovator. To truly understand China's biotech rise, let's look at ivonescimab, A breakthrough from Akeso Biopharma. Ivonescimab is a bispecific antibody, a guided missile for cancer, targeting two proteins, PD-1 and VEGF. Blocking PD-1 exposes cancer cells to the immune system, while blocking VEGF starves tumors of blood supply. This dual-action approach has shown remarkable results in clinical trials, suggesting it could outperform single-target therapies. Akeso didn't just copy an idea, they engineered a novel solution to a complex problem. The success of ivonescimab captured global attention and led to the $5 billion deal with Summit Therapeutics. It proved a Chinese company could create a globally competitive, best-in-class drug. Ivonescimab is more than a scientific achievement, it's a symbol of the DeepSeek moment. It represents years of investment, top-tier talent, and the ambition to lead. Its global success could pave the way for more Chinese innovations. It brings hope to patients everywhere waiting for better cancer therapies. Artificial intelligence is the most powerful catalyst in China's biotech revolution, and companies like DeepSeek are at the heart of this transformation. The same AI principles behind language models are now accelerating life sciences. AI acts like a master locksmith, rapidly analyzing disease structures and designing the perfect drug molecule. AI platforms are used to accelerate nearly every phase of drug development, from identifying targets to designing and optimizing drug candidates in silico. This virtual approach saves enormous time and money. AI also revolutionizes clinical trials, identifying the best candidates and monitoring patients for early signs of success or side effects. China's large population provides a wealth of biological data, and its focus on STEM education produces scientists skilled in both coding and biology. This fusion of biology and computer science is creating a new paradigm for medical innovation. The speed of discovery is now limited only by the power of our imagination and our algorithms. The DeepSeek moment is as much about data and talent as it is about technology. China's biotech rise is reshaping the global order, sparking both competition and cooperation with the United States. The US has long led biomedical innovation but now faces a formidable, fast-moving rival. This has led to concerns about economic competitiveness and national security, prompting proposed legislation to limit collaboration with some Chinese firms. Yet protectionist policies risk stifling innovation and making new drugs more expensive. Despite tensions, science remains global. Western companies are eager to partner with Chinese innovators. Breakthroughs benefit all humanity, regardless of origin. The future will likely be a hybrid of competition and collaboration, combining Chinese R&D speed with Western commercialization. Policymakers must balance healthy competition with the need for scientific progress. The rise of China as a biotech leader can accelerate discovery and create a healthier future for all. China's biotech ascent is impressive, but global leadership requires overcoming hurdles of trust and transparency. The pharmaceutical industry demands rigorous standards and complete transparency, especially in clinical trial data. Skepticism remains in Western markets about data integrity from emerging economies. Chinese firms must commit to global best practices, designing trials that meet the highest standards and engaging with regulators early. Some have faced setbacks when their data didn't meet FDA requirements, highlighting the need to master global regulatory landscapes. Launching and marketing drugs globally is another challenge. Partnerships with Western giants help bridge this gap. These collaborations are about knowledge transfer as much as capital. Building trust requires openness, quality, and collaboration. As more Chinese developed drugs pass global scrutiny, trust will grow, solidifying China's role as a trusted partner in global health. We are at an exciting inflection point in medicine. China's DeepSeek moment is reshaping how we discover and deliver new treatments, making China a vital engine of global health progress. The era of a single nation dominating biomedical research is ending. Innovation can now emerge from anywhere. The world must balance US-China competition with the need for scientific collaboration. Chinese companies must continue building global trust through transparency and high standards. The success of drugs like ivonescimab and billion-dollar partnerships show this is already happening. By fostering both competition and collaboration, we can harness this new wave of innovation for a healthier, more hopeful future. The next breakthrough is just around the corner,